YouTube video, everybody! It's been a minute since we've done an unboxing. And luckily, I have this box right in front of me that I'm going to unbox for your unboxing viewing pleasure. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this box before I actually get into it because this is very exciting. So, I know some of you that have been watching me for a little while will know this, and some of you who are new will not. But a while ago, I'm going to say approximately a year, but my sense of time is terrible because of COVID. Anyway, I got a random message on Instagram from this guy named Dark. And he was like, hello, my name is Dark. I'm a musician. I'm from Germany. I'm like making all this cool music. And I was wondering if you'd like to be in a music video. And I was like, fuck yeah, I would. Absolutely. And that's what happens when you leave yourself open to adventure. You never fucking know what the day is going to bring you. And that day, the universe brought me Dark. So I said, yes, absolutely. Without knowing anything about this man, what kind of music he does. I mean, with a name like Dark, I suspected what kind of music he was making, but I didn't know. I mean, I very well could have agreed to be in like a country music video or like a rap music video. And you know what? I still would have done it because that's a fucking cool and flattering thing to be asked. Like if anyone asked me, I would say, hell yeah, let's do that. But as it turns out, my suspicions were correct, and Dark makes really awesome like goth music that's like inside my head. It's like exactly my music taste, and it's absolutely fucking delightful. So he wrote this song called Nightmare, asked me to do the music video for it, which I did. And if you haven't seen it, we're going to put like a very small clip of it right now. So get ready. And we're back. Wasn't that amazing? I mean, it was, but you should really watch the whole thing. It's such a cool fucking video. If you want to watch the whole thing, we're going to have the link to it in the description. And we also made a behind the scenes video of like the making of that because as you know, if you've been watching me, I am not a very serious human being. And yeah, I had to put on my very serious like model face and be professional for the video. So we did do a behind the scenes where you get to see how really silly we were while we were making it. And also we almost got arrested. They called the fucking cops on us twice while we were filming. So that will also be in the description if you want to watch the behind the scenes. So then the most flattering thing of all time happened. He asked me if he could use a picture of me to be on the cover of the fucking album. And it's amazing. Never in my life did I ever think that I would be on an album cover, and I am just blown away by it. And I've been watching people around the world unboxing shit with my face on it. It's crazy watching people in like Germany and England and the States and Australia, whatever, unboxing stuff and being like, ta-da, and holding up their album and it's a picture of me. Like, that's fucked up. That is so cool. Never in my life did I think that I would be that girl, but here we are. So after that long ramble, Dark has sent me this package, and I actually don't know what's in it. I'm really excited to see what he sent me here as a surprise in the mail. And I am smart and brought scissors with me this time because if you've watched some of my other unboxing videos, you know that I am absolutely fucking notorious for trying to open the box and not remembering to have scissors with me. So, now how to get into it is the question. How do you get... Oh, okay, it's this way, okay. Oh, what's in here? What is it? Okay, excellent. First of all, a whole bunch of Dark stickers, which I am totally thrilled about because I'm actually collecting cool stickers to put on my sketchbook right now. I don't know if you guys know this, but I do have a sketchbook for my fashion designs, not because I can draw in any fucking way, but to get my fashion ideas onto paper. I've been keeping them in a book rather than on loose pieces of paper. So you can bet that one of those stickers is going directly on my sketchbook. I'm very excited about that. Oh, more stickers. More stickers. Excellent. We've got, ooh, a little package of candy. I love candy of any variety, so I'm very excited about that. We've got Look, look. Right? Can you see the resemblance? I sure hope so. I sure hope so. I'm going to show you these better close up because there's probably wicked glare and you probably can't see what the fuck I'm doing anyway. We've got saran wrap. This is so carefully packaged, which is great. It's the worst when you get something in the mail and it's like all damaged and shit because the packaging crapped out. Aw, thank you, dear Missy Dark. Ah, that's totally fucking awesome. Ah, that's totally awesome. Oh, and there's little bat confettis falling out. Of course, there's little bat confettis falling out. That's awesome. It's shit like that, you know, when you get a package and there's just like extra stuff in it, like little confettis or candies or stuff that like really makes what. Oh my god, is this a giant fucking poster of my face? What the hell? What the absolute hell? Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Thank you, dear Missy from Dark. Oh my god. Is it really vain if I put up a poster of myself in my house? Guess what? I don't fucking care I'm doing that. Because, like, that's amazing. That's amazing. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. Of course, the record's in here, yes. I don't want to take that out because I don't want to scratch the record. But I promise you, there is a record in here. That's fucking amazing. And a dark tank top. Yay! Yay! Well, you know what that means? It's time for a fashion montage. But not yet. But not yet. I'm going to show you all this cool shit and then fashion montage. Get ready! All right, guys, so here we are. Here's the tank top, which I will be modeling for you shortly. The delicious looking little heart candies, which I'm surprised that I haven't eaten already, to be 100% honest with you. Dark stickers. Vinyl with my fucking face on it. Oh my god. This is completely surreal. Like, I don't even know how to tell you about the fact that there is just large amounts of my fucking face all over this embalming table. This is insane. This is insane. Never in my life did I think there would be like a massive poster of my face and all of this merchandise with my face. This is insane. Have it. My first unboxing in a little while, which was from Dark, which was fucking lovely. I love my new Dark t-shirt. I love it, and I hope you do too. And if you want one, I don't know how to do this, but Jessica's gonna put all the links to all of Dark's shit down below if you want to buy CDs, tapes, vinyl, posters, merchandise, t-shirts, whatever. The man's got it all, and he's fucking talented. If you haven't heard of him, now you have, and this is your cue to go listen to his music, because obviously Nightmare is my favorite song. I might be a little bit biased, and you know why. But all of his other songs are absolutely fucking delightful as well. It is very, very rare that I listen to new music, and by new music, I mean anything made after 2000, to be completely honest with you. But Dark is only, I think, a couple of years old. Like, he started doing music during the pandemic, so he hasn't been around that long, and he is fucking talented. And I wish that I lived in Europe so that I could go see him play live, but maybe I'll get lucky and he'll come visit Canada someday and I'll get to see him perform in real life, because that'd be fucking cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video and all of the awesome stuff that Dark sent me, and seeing my face on an album cover. What the hell? Fantastic. So if you liked that, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be totally amazing. If you want to follow me on any of the things, we're going to put all of my social media and stuff in the description as well, beside Darks. If you want to buy me a Ko-fi, you can do that. It's ko-fi.com/MadamAbsinthe. If you want to look at Depop, we have a Depop where we sell our secondhand shit now as well. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me on social media, buy me a Ko-fi if you want to. Check out Dark's awesome music and buy his album to support his cool artistic work. And that's it. I'll see you guys around for my next YouTube video.